Lakefront Condo in Avalon with upgrades. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is the largest Avalon floor plan with 1,725 under air and 2,387 total square feet, and includes a 2-car garage. The living area showcases wood-look tile, elegant crown molding, and recessed lighting for a modern touch. The kitchen is highlighted with upgraded cabinets, quartz countertops, a unique custom backsplash, under-cabinet lighting, and premium appliances, including a convection oven range. Plantation shutters adorn the windows throughout, adding a touch of sophistication. The 3rd bedroom features tile flooring and recessed lighting. Step onto the expansive lanai that overlooks the tranquil fountain. Your peace of mind is prioritized with impact-resistant windows and doors. The air conditioner system features an enhanced air filtration system, ensuring optimal indoor air quality. The garage door opener comes with a battery backup to mitigate power outage concerns. Avalon has no CDD fees and in a central location, providing easy access to downtown, beaches, and shopping. Don't let this opportunity slip away to own this stunning home.